Voice recognition makes placing or receiving a phone call when operating the display audio system a breeze. Those operating the display audio with navigation system benefit from advanced voice recognition, which adds to the phone functionality with commands that control audio, navigation, even some climate controls. To optimize the performance of your voice recognition system, take the time to train it to learn your unique voice. To begin voice recognition training, touch the Setup button. From the Setup menu, touch the Voice icon. Now touch Train Voice Recognition. Touch Start. You will be given 10 phrases. After each beep, read aloud the phrase that appears on your display screen. Let's learn some voice commands that you might use most often. Remember that to initiate any voice command sequence, start by pressing the talk switch. Once activated, your voice recognition system will ask what you would like to do, and will show you examples of common voice commands under different category headings. To call a contact, simply say aloud the name of the contact as stored in the phone book of your mobile device. Call home.
Calling the mobile number for home.
You also have the option of speaking a number aloud if you don't have the contact stored on your mobile device. For models equipped with the advanced voice recognition system, add a destination or navigate to a point of interest by simply saying "navigate to" followed by the name of the point of interest. If you would like to navigate to a coffee shop, for example, say something like "navigate to" and then say the name of the coffee shop. Your voice recognition system will provide you with some options for navigating to your chosen point of interest. Let's choose the first option by saying "near here."
Showing nearby, select the one you want by name or number.
Note that your system will display options in order of distance from your current location, and will also display a directional compass for each option listed. Option 1. Start guidance. Some other common navigation-related voice commands include enter an address, which enables setting a destination by saying the address, go home, which displays the route to home, or cancel route, which stops the route guidance. You can also use voice recognition to access the radio if your vehicle is equipped with the advanced voice recognition system. To tune to a radio station, simply press the talk switch, then say, for example, tune to 104.5 FM.
Tuning to 104.5 FM.
To ensure optimal results, note that voice commands might not be recognized if spoken too quickly, the sunroof or windows are open, the fan speed is set high. You'll know that you are speaking at an adequate volume when you see the microphone filling with green. If you need help, simply say "help" and the system will offer examples of commands and operation methods to guide you. After some practice, you'll soon learn the easiest ways to interact with your voice recognition system.